Hi guys, welcome back to LikingHiking. So today I have a dilemma. I've got a hole in my Cedar Summit air mattress. I don't know how it happened. I went to use it the other day and it kept deflating all through the night, which was not very pleasant. So anyway, now I'm going to try and find and patch the hole. So yeah, I actually have no idea what I'm doing. I've watched some YouTube videos and got the instructions, so I think I should know. But anyway, you guys get to come along for me for the real life journey of how hard it is to find and patch a hole for the Cedar Summit air mattress. So when it was blowing up, I did try and feel for the hole, but I couldn't feel it. So I've got water, some natural dishwashing liquid so that hopefully it will bubble up where the hole is, and a cloth. So I'm hoping not to use too much water because I don't want obviously the water to get inside the air mattress, because then it will make it go all moldy, so I presume. Anyway, let's inflate, see if we can find this hole. So yeah, I have no idea how the hole got in there. I was trying to remember, I used it was New Year's Eve that I was using. I was staying over somewhere. I was using it inside on carpet, so I don't think I got it that night, but I could see some wear and tear in my bag, so I don't know if something, maybe the last time I was hiking, poked sort of through the bag and into the mat. So anyway, or maybe it was just the last time I used it on the tent floor or something. There was something spiky, but which would be terrible because that means I would have a hole in my tent also, which is obviously not ideal, but I guess I'll know next time it rains. So we might have patching tent video next. All right. So guys, you get to watch, which you didn't get to watch in my Cedar Summit review, how to actually pump this thing up. So this is the pump sack. So you just roll this a couple of times. Hang on, 1, 2, 3, and clip. Okay, so this is the pump here, so air goes in. I've also got the patching kit in here too, which just lives in there. Now there's 2 tabs, inflate, and this just clips in like this. So this stops you having to blow it up with your mouth. So you can blow it up with your mouth, obviously, but then the issue you run into then is that you can get mold growth in the mat, which I don't want. So anyway, pretty much just pump here for 100 years. No, it's not normally that bad. Alright, so this is pumped up about as much as I can pump it up. So yeah, now I guess we just got to use the dishwashing sponge and the water to try and find the hole. Wish me luck. Hopefully I don't make a new hole while I'm trying to find the hole. So I think I'm going to start from the top area and work my way down, because I think if the hole was created through the bag, which I think is possibly what happened, then it will be at the top. So I'm going to try the top half here and then flip it over and try the top back, because I don't always roll it the same way. Anyway, so let's see if this works. I actually have no idea. Some bubbles. I don't really care if I end up getting wet because it's hot. Welcome to summer. Okay. All right. So, got bubbles and water, hopefully enough. There. And then we just fold and compress. Should be able to see if there is any holes. Might need to add a bit more water. Not convinced. Oh, it's so hot, it's like dried out already. Ugh. Okay, so far, nothing. It's not very promising. Might need a top up of water after this. Okay, well, so far no hole. Let's try the other side. Oh, I can tell, like you can tell it's already deflating, so it is coming out the hole, wherever the hole is. Challenging. This is not what you see on the how to patch your sleep mat videos. I don't know, they pre-find the hole. Well, just tip some water on it. Ah! Oh my goodness, I'm so wet. This is just not working so far. You can tell that the air is coming out. I just cannot see where from. Okay, the end's quite wet now, so maybe we'll try that. Frustrating. Guys just have no idea. I have no idea where the hole is. Maybe I'll just try one whole side. I know, my next go after this is try submerging it in the bathtub. It's like the only other plans I have left. I'm trying the whole side to see if I can get that. I think I'm gonna have to go for option 2, which is the bathtub. All right, on to plan B. Bathtub. So guys, we're up to plan B of finding a hole in sleeping mat thing. So plan B is pretty much put the mat in the bath and hope that we can find the hole. So I gotta repump it. We are running out of air, so I'm going to do that and then we're going to get started. All right, let's start with this section. Okay, I still think this is going to be a challenge. Oh, wait, I hear hissing. Come on. Oh, I see bubbles, I see bubbles. Oh, that was so much easier. Oh yeah, I can see it. Can you see it? Right there is a tiny hole.
Wait.
All right.
Right, wait. Oh,
see the bubbles? We found it. Okay. All right, guys. So I'm just going to mark the hole with a permanent texter. here so I don't lose it. I've dried that section off. So I've marked it, so now we've got to deflate and dry the rest of the mat off so we can apply the patch. I'm pretty confident that's the only hole. It's definitely the only hole in that section. Oh, I'm so disappointed. I wonder how it got there. Anyway, all right. Well, I'll bring you back shortly once I've deflated and dried the mat. All right, guys, so I found the hole. I've marked it with a permanent text. I've deflated, dried the mat out. So we're all ready to put the patch on. So I just read the instructions real quickly. And basically, you just put it on like a Band-Aid and you peel it off. You stick it to the center and sort of rub out from there. Oh my goodness, I can see it. So this, in this mattress, like little squares up from the material, obviously. And then the patches have the squares, and I feel like I need to make them line up. Anyway, we'll see. So I'm going to apply that to the hole, and I can actually feel the hole. So I don't know if you can always feel holes, but I think maybe that might be a way of finding a hole next time rather than going through all that process. But I don't know, now it's easy maybe, but now I've found the hole. Anyway, so we're going to apply the patch, and then pretty much just got to let it go for 30 minutes and then inflate again. So they don't make this easy. And this is why I wanted to show you real life patching a mat, not perfected studio patching a mat in 20 seconds. Oops. Parts of my microphone are dropping to the floor. Oh, come on, come on. All right. Finally. Now you're supposed to do all this without touching the patch. I'm not sure how that's possible. Anyway. Oh my goodness, it's so sticky. You have no idea. All right.
But that's good, right?
Yeah, that's good. Okay. Line up my squares. Okay, and then you just rub from the inside out.
Oh, you're so unlucky that you can also see.
Yes, you can see the permanent texture through it. All right.
Yeah.
But look, the lines match up. I don't know if you can see that in the video. Oh, you can. Fantastic. Okay, I'm happy. I don't care if you can see a permanent texture mark. I'm just happy you can, the lines match up. It's the small things, guys. It's the small things. All right. I think that's rubbed on as much as I can make it. Oh, so I've only had my mat a year. This is my first hole. So, I mean, the test patch kit comes with quite a few patches. So obviously there's large patches there for like tears and stuff. And I think with tears, there's like a thing you can buy. There's pretty much just like a glue, and it kind of like adhesives together. And then you put this on top of it for like extra protection so it doesn't continue to rip. They're big ones, and it comes with 3 small ones. And I'm guessing you can probably buy another one of these kits from Cedar Summit. But I mean, seriously, how many holes?
What's that thing?
Oh, good question, little bro. This is the one-way valve plug thing for the mat. So apparently, according to Cedar Summit, it's very unlikely that it would come out, you would lose it, or that it would break. But if it does, they have included a spare. So I'll see if I can turn the mat over and show you where this goes. Yeah. So this is in the inflate bit. So you can just see it here. It's the back of it here. The one-way valve, so that when you inflate it, the air only goes in and not out. So obviously that's the deflate there. So you can see it a bit more when I open the inflate, just like that. So obviously this is to help you thread it through, because that's not on this one, just noticed. But anyway, I hope I never lose that, but if I do, I have a spare. So this is like the little pack with all the repair stuff. So I normally just keep this in here anyway, so that if I am out hiking or whatever and it does get a hole in it, then I can patch it then as well. Though, like, man, it would be so hard if you have had to patch your mat out on a hiking trip in the middle of nowhere. Let me know, because I would love to know how you did it, because I'm pretty sure the cloth sort of bottle way is how you're supposed to do it when you are out hiking or whatever, but as you saw, I tried that and it didn't really work for me. So if you have any pro tips, let me know, because who knows, one day I might have to patch the mat out. Anyway, so far, so good. Yeah, I guess we just wait 30 minutes and then inflate. Right, so it's been about 40 minutes and I'm going to inflate it and hopefully the patch holds. Wish me luck. Alright, that's as much air as I can fit in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to, like you saw outside before, you could tell that the air was squishing out. So, where is my patch? Well, that's great, guys. I can't even tell where it is. Ah, here we go. It's here. So it's all blowing up and it looks like it's holding. No air is coming out there. So it's going to sit here and make sure there's no more holes in it. Some like worn sections, I think. I don't know. It seems to be all good. I think that was definitely, like, it was a fairly decent sized hole, so I think a lot of air was going out of there. Well, I can't feel any air coming out so far. Still seems pretty pumped up to me, so I'm going to take that
Why don't you like lie on it
as a positive. I'm not going to lie on it for ages. Well, the patch won't come off. It's not come off now. I keep losing it. It's on this side, the writing side. There it is. And it's even like creased now and everything. And still sticking. I think that's pretty stuck. I don't think that's gonna come anywhere. You could barely tell. I reckon if you didn't have the permanent texture showing through underneath, I don't know if you can see it, but if you didn't have the permanent texture showing through underneath, you'd hardly be able to tell there's a patch there. But anyway, I'm excited. Seems to be working. I'll keep you updated in future videos. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it very informative, and now you know how hard it is to patch a hole in real life. And I would definitely have to recommend the submerge in water method, because that was so much quicker and easier than trying to use a drink bottle and a cloth and trying to find the hole. So anyway guys, thanks for watching. If you have any tips or tricks for repairing your sleeping pads, or also how to stop them getting holes in them, leave them in the comments down below. And as always guys, keep on liking hiking.